Welcome to JH. I've been experimenting with Mounjaboost for a few weeks now, and surprisingly, I'm actually starting to feel like a functioning human again. My energy levels and overall wellness have seen a gradual improvement, which is a nice departure from my usual state of caffeinated panic. The liquid formula is incredibly easy to toss into my morning routine, mostly because it doesn't have that lovely chemical waste aftertaste we've all come to expect from health kicks. Taking it in the morning keeps me alert and focused throughout the day, and miraculously, I haven't experienced the typical mid-afternoon soul-crushing crash. I also appreciate that it's made with natural ingredients and is free from additives, which is great for those of us who prefer our supplements not to look like a high school science experiment. The dropper is actually functional too, making it easy to measure the right amount every time without turning my kitchen counter into a sticky crime scene. Overall, Mounjaboost is a solid choice for anyone looking to support their energy and metabolism naturally. It's not some magical get fit in 5 minutes scam, but rather a helpful addition to a balanced lifestyle, assuming you actually have one of those. It's designed for consistency rather than a quick fix, which aligns perfectly with my preference for sustainable wellness that doesn't involve heart palpitations. Since it's third-party tested, I can rest easy knowing I'm not just swallowing expensive pond water. It's a gentle, effective way to help your body function at its best without the usual drama.